Ooh, just a minute. I have my cat crying. Grayson, you can come in. Come on. Come here. Come on. What you got? You bringing me a toy? Are you bringing me a toy? Yeah, my sweetheart. Okay, get a water break, everybody. Sorry about this. He's my boy. Hi, you just want attention? Yeah, you're crying out there. I'm not here. Okay. Okay. Maybe you could. He was crying out there. So I'm trying to let him in. Okay, so here we go. I want you to take it up and twist halfway and turn. Make sure the stomach is holding nice and tight for me. Yes, baby. I know you're cute. Don't get all the way from the camera, sweetheart. And bring it in for me. I want you to come into both bowls right here. And we're going to take it in and out.